Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Facepalm Studio. It has been a while. I don't have many excuses for it besides getting busy, and that's with a capital B. So let's rewind back a little bit. Back in the beginning of the year, I was rolling out videos, or end of the year, I guess, end of 2022, I was rolling out videos daily. Had a lot of progression with how these tutorials and things were going. And then January of 23 hit and things started to slow down. I got a promotion at work, which was very nice, but then became most of my time. I got a dog. I'll show you. She's the best. Hold on, let me see here. She's sleeping. A lot has changed over the last year, and part of that has been where I wanted this channel to go and what I wanted to see happen with Facepalm Studio. Most of it was I started doing this to give a lot of feedback and give my knowledge back out of the 3D world that I'm understanding. But I come to found when I started making videos every day back at the end of 2022 that things ended up being more toward IT and tech, which was great because that's what I was working. I was passionate about it. I was super excited to be doing my help desk things and work there. But when I became a field tech in January of this year, or 2023, things started to change. I was doing a lot of the same stuff. I was learning not a whole lot. I mean, I was moving into my field and growing as a technician. But then when I started working toward 3D and trying to do some projects, those kind of took wind over the tech. And then I was kind of hitting this snag of being back and forth between IT and tech. And then 3D and art and everything that I've been making this channel for. So going into this year, I started with a new job. In 2024, January, I got a new job. I work for a managed service provider now, which is way more interesting for me. I'm learning a lot, and I am digging deeper and deeper into these IT roots that I'm starting to grow into. And I never expected to like it how I am. Part of this video is just to show how much, like, I made a video just before the end of the first rung of this channel about learning and how to experience growth and how to give yourself back to the community and to how to learn and train and get better at what you're doing. And I find myself more and more every day since I slowed things down with Facepalm that I was learning a lot but not enough. And I wanted to learn more and more as I was continuing to learn this channel and to show you guys what I'm learning. To help circumvent that, I slowed down with the actual production of videos. But I know I got a lot of feedback from people watching and my friends and colleagues who were like, hey, that video was awesome. Are you going to do more of this? Or hell, even the very first video on this channel that I made back in September of 2022 about making raw video formats, that has almost reached, I think, 800 views. Like, it's getting up there. It's got a lot of views. But the passion on those videos was there then, but I'm trying to find that passion again. And that's where bringing up my new job, that has kind of grown into a passion for IT and tech that I never realized that I had. And I have been learning so much and exploring so many new things. So I kind of want to start slowly bringing this channel back into some light. I've been learning a lot about Linux. I've been dabbling deeper into macOS, which I have a lot of good ideas to make videos for. Linux especially too. They work very similar, but Linux is very powerful if you know how to use it. Windows is becoming more interesting. I'm learning a lot more admin tools, ways to troubleshoot, different ways of how to look at things, PowerShell, stuff like that I've never experienced. I'm starting to learn how to get into some certifications. That's going to be its own can of worms. And that's just all in IT alone. That's what I do on a day-to-day basis now. But on the other side, me and my fiance, I got engaged this year. That was also a fun thing that happened in 23. Me and my fiance, we started wanting to stream more. So I built a computer for the living room. And so now I have videos and ideas of how to show people how to set that up and how to keep things moving on the channel that you're starting to learn and work on. I've talked to a lot of my buddies and friends that I really want to start getting Adventures in Gaming back up and going. That was my gaming channel for a long time. There's a lot that I want to do with this channel, and I think that if I'm able to focus and get things moving, with your guys' help, I can narrow in and find topics and things that would be interesting for you guys to learn with me, as well as for me to show you guys how to do. I want to dabble more into 3D. I want to learn and finish some of these environments that I've been working on that I was so excited to show you guys about. Then things kind of hit the fan. I really am interested in all this IT stuff. Linux especially has been very, very interesting for me, and I cannot wait to show you guys what I have in mind to try to work on and getting things working for this channel and for just my own personal use. Gaming. I want to show you guys how to edit gaming videos. I want to show you guys how to make a proper Let's Play video, or how to make clips, or how to format things properly. I have a lot of really good ideas of how to do that, but I have to make content to be able to do that too, which is a really good thing because, like I said, my fiance really wants to start learning how to play games more and to engage with this stuff. So it gives me another passion project to push forward for this. At the end of the day, this channel was for an opportunity for me to learn new things and to help you guys save the pain from the pain of hitting yourself on the head for all these problems that come up. But that's also troubleshooting. That's also life. That's IT. I actually just recorded a video before this intro back, about how to set up OBS on a new workstation, and I screwed up during the middle of it, and I was okay with that because that's what this channel's for. This channel's for growth and learning, and I'm sure I'll cut it together to make it goofy and hell, and it'll be funny and fun to look at. But at the end of the day, that's the process. That's how you learn. That's how you figure things out. So I want to just kind of talk about where I think things are going to go for this channel. And again, it may start off slow, but I want to start at least coming out with a video a week. The same days are going to still come across. We're still going to have Make It Monday, which can involve more IT things now as I'm starting to learn more into virtual machines, website development, back-end development for things. I want to show you guys how those work, and I kind of consider those as Make-Its. Tuesday, IT Tuesday. That's going to kind of delve into also Tutorial Tuesdays now. I want to start showcasing certain videos and assets that I'm using to learn and show you guys how to do some of those tutorials and how to break some of those things down. If something doesn't work, why didn't it work, how they were able to do it, what kinds of things do you need to look at your own workstation to get those things working. Thursday Tech Tips, still going to try to break things down into an organized way. New gear. Elgato's come out with a lot of really cool things for streaming recently. How to set up multiple computers, how to record better, how to work through issues if you're having hardware problems, how to transfer data, different tools to use, that kind of stuff I'm going to try to gear toward Tech Thursdays. And then also Facepalm Friday. If I have something that I screw up entirely on, that's a facepalm moment. I'm going to try to get some of those videos out, and I'm going to show you guys how I fail, because I think that's the most important way to learn, is embracing those failures and moving past them and being able to learn as you go through those. But yeah, there's a lot coming for Facepalm Studio, and there's a lot coming for you guys. I want to try to make my own website. I want to try to make a blog that kind of showcases things that I'm learning and how to help you guys as you go through these day-to-day processes. I want to start making more videos here. I want to stream on YouTube. I want to try to see if we're able to bring some of these things out to people and try to work through some projects and have some fun. I think that would just be the coolest way to do it. But for now, though, this is going to be just the end of this little welcome back. This is Nick again from Facepalm, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Keep creating. Save the pain from those facepalm moments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Coming soon to Facepalm Studio. All right, bye.